What's going on, guys? It's your boy Rock from Flip the Thrift, and unfortunately, we have to get our car towed today. All right, so we're at Abundant Blessings. I'm with my son, with Junior, with Rocco, one of my twin sons, and Christian's at home because he's a bum. But we drove the car up here today, which is like 40 minutes away from home, and unfortunately, it's shaking really bad. It's been shaking for a while. I should have put my car into the shop. So now it's going to cost me another $200 to get it towed because I am not risking driving it from here to there. So they're going to tow it. They're going to bring me a loaner, which is really cool. So they'll probably just let me know when they're here. And it is what it is, but we're in Abundant Blessings. We're not going to let that get us down. I knew it needed to be fixed. It needed to go in anyway, regardless. So we're going to shop. So let's go. So we're going to go through the polos and the dress shirts. I looked on that side, looking for good brands. I told you there was going to already be people here. Yeah, they're grabbing up all the dollar tags. It's a nice Joseph A. Bank. John Henry. Nope. We're looking for vintage and designer. What is that? That tag looks familiar.
What?
It's got a stain on it though, but that looks familiar. I'm trying to see the brand. I think it said 3 something. This is nice. Is it made in USA? It's a nice flannel. It's pretty nice. We are looking for lavender tags, guys. Those are... No, that is not lavender. That's red. We're definitely going to jump on this for $6. This is a brand new Crest Ralph Lauren. That is a definite scoop. What is that? AX Paris. Never heard of that, but I don't think... This is all new stuff. So let's see if we can find any designer. I said there's some bucket hats over there. You want to check them out? Where? They're over there. Where the hats are. Harlow and Rose. See, I don't really know. Women's brand. Oh, there's Scully. That one's brand new. I gotta look that up. They want $11. Scully, that I know. American Eagle. It's a nice Calvin Klein. I always see new Calvin Klein. I think that people buy it all the time. And Lee. St. John. Nope. There's some Levi's, $9. Nope. Some Gap. Cheap. Skinny ankle. Yeah, it sucks that we got to get it towed, but it is what it is. Alright. Some Wranglers. What size are those? 3230s. Nope. Looking for vintage and... Alright, where were we? There's a Polo jeans. We need that tag right there. It's almost like a pink color. I just had one. What color was the tag? What are those?
They're nice
What
though.
are those? Hold on. They're brand new. I don't know. How much are they?
I don't know.
$20. I'm not paying $20 for them. I don't know. I can't look anything up in here. It's a dead zone. Yeah, there's no service in this building. That's the only problem. That's a cool little silker. I like that Nautica too. What color is the tag? Nope. No. I think that this is from the 90s. That looks like an older tag. I can't really see a date on it, but it is $9. But it is an old Wrangler Pearl Snap. And it's going to start getting a little bit colder out, so I'm thinking that maybe All I got so far was them 2 shirts, so I'm pretty sure we'll make a little bit of money. I might be able to get like 40 for it. I think that would be probably the highest I could get. Guys, so we are over in the dollar section. I don't see any dollar bags. I'm gonna ask them because sometimes they're in the back. They'll just bring them out. These are really big. What are these? These are Lands' End. Those are big swimming shorts, which they don't really move for me. They're just gonna sit forever. So we're gonna go ahead and pick up these. These are Nat Nast. If you guys can see the logo, these are gonna be $1. So I'm just gonna grab them for $1. This is a pretty expensive brand. The shirts do well. I don't know about the jeans. But there it is. Can we see the logo in there? It's somewhere in there. Let's see, get a better view. Boom, we found some Lululemon shorts. They're gonna be like $5, $4, something like that. So we'll go through the rest of the discount stuff, and then I'm gonna ask them if they have any rag bags. So the other thing that we got was this polo. It is, look at that old green tag, made in USA. I don't know if it's bootleg, not really sure. Yeah, you can test to see if it's one of them will fit.
I found one.
All right, guys, so my son found this. They're all from 2004. I don't see Snoopy. Maybe he's somewhere separate, but we got Lucy and Charlie, and we got Pigpen, Linus. So all of them are here. They probably sell for about $10 a piece. It's going to be 10 for the lot. So I'm thinking if I put these together, we can get at least 40 or 50 for that. And then we got a camera. This is a winner. Let's see. I'll show you guys what we got here. We got a Pentax. Last one sold for 60. This is going to be $375. So, all right, guys. So we are back at the shop. I brought all the. I just moved everything over from my van into the loaner, so I wouldn't have to do it after it was fixed. I'll just get my empty vehicle back when they're done with it. Hopefully the bill won't be too astronomical here. Got a bunch of boxes. I sort them out here from smallest to biggest. Makes it easier for me to ship and deal with my orders. That way, I'm gonna throw this over here. That's a flimsy. I don't like to ship items in flimsy boxes. Sometimes I'll do it and it's like, it's just a hat, and then I'll get a complaint. You know, the customer, oh, the hat got bent, and it's ridiculous. So here's the loaner. I think it's an Equinox. Is that what this thing is? Yeah, it's a Chevy Equinox. It's not bad. This has a light on too. It has an engine light on. So it is, I can't win. You know, I just can't win with the engine lights. All right, so the rest of this stuff has to go in. My daughter was an ambassador for Bumble. It's like, I don't even know what it is, guys. I'm not, you know, I'm not like promoting it or anything like that. I'm just telling you that she gave me the shit and I got to sell it. So, which I did see some of the jackets and things do okay. So the total was like $56, something like that, at that thrift store at Abundant Blessings. I paid $375 for this camera. If this camera works, it's a $60 camera. It might be worth a little more than that. I'm not sure. I might be able to throw a couple cords in and, you know, get $70 or $80 for it. It has a carrying case with it. So I'm not sure if that's really going to matter. Here are the Bumble jackets. I mean, they're really nice jackets. I guess she just got them for, this one's like, one of them's a puffer vest, and the other one is like a Letterman jacket, like a, what do they call it? It's called a Letterman jacket, but it's also, it's called something else. Like, see, it says Bumble. The problem is, they would have to take that 3 off and put a 4 on it, you know, or a 5, or whenever they're planning on using it. It's not in the greatest condition. It's a little dirty. I think it's like a company. I don't know. Like, that's what I mean. I can't really explain it because I don't know what the hell it is. And she gave me this bag. I'm going to go through that bag. My wife said she saw some new with tag items in there. This is my daughter's stuff that she just didn't want. Some of it may even be stuff that I even gave to her that I might have thrifted and been like, hey, do you want this? So we're going to go through that. We're going to go through this right now, and whatever I'm going to donate, I'm going to donate. So far I'm seeing, yeah, West Perry Mustangs. I'm seeing local stuff. I'm just going to go through this real quick. So that's all donation, and this is stuff that's like worthy. Like, this is a vintage Wrangler shacket. It's like a shirt jacket. There is some brand new American Eagle. They're bigger sizes. They'll do very well. And there's like 3 or 4 pairs of Nike, like short, like athletic, like running, jogging shorts. So the rest is donation. I got some hats and stuff in here. Ones that are just like, they're not worth listing, so they can get donated. So we're gonna bring this in. I'm gonna put the boxes away and we're gonna start shipping our items. And that's pretty much it. I mean, there isn't really anything to go through on the inside. I don't think so. I mean, I pretty much showed you. You know, we got the peanuts stuff. We're gonna go ahead and get those listed, see how they do. They should do okay. I only paid 10 bucks for them. This is really cool. My son found that. There's a bobblehead. Oh yeah, there's a bobblehead. Where's the bobblehead at? She did put the bobblehead in. There's the polo, and we got the Nat Nast jeans. They were only $1, so I was like, let's just take a choice or a chance on those. The Ralph Lauren, we should do well with that. The Lululemon, obviously, those are going to do well. Here is, I think my son wanted these Steelers, and we got the bobblehead. There's only one sold. It's a Kiana, is that how you pronounce that? Probably. I should be kind of close. Kiana Carter. Never heard of him. He's probably already in the NFL. There's probably a date on it. PennStateHotels.com. So this is just basically a stadium giveaway. I'll just do new without the box or pre-owned or whatever. A used one sold for $35. So I paid $2.50 for that. So that's really good flip right there. I don't know if my son wants them or not. I'll just take them home anyway. And then I did pay up for this Wrangler. I did pay $10 for it, but like I said, if the camera works and there's no issues with it, we should get $60 just for the camera. And then if I have to take $25 for that, you know, and only make $10, only double my money, not very smart. So I was hoping that it's new. That's the problem in that store. You have to go to like a corner of the store to look everything up. And I didn't do that because there was just so much going on today with getting my car towed and the issue of dealing with it and having to spend more money and put more money into this frickin' money frickin' pit. But anyway, guys, thanks for watching. I'll put some comps up and show you guys the deal, if anything's sold, what everything is worth. I think we did okay. I only spent 60 bucks. I got to spend the day with my son. We took the dog to the vet. It was a pretty busy, productive day. So anyway, guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Smash the thumbs up button. Hit the notification bell. Peace out. Thanks for watching, guys. I really appreciate it.